guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite lip shades from Maybelline, and all the shades that I'm going to show here in this video is just perfect for all Indian skin tone and are super affordable. And I'm using it from quite a while and on a daily basis for shoot, for college, office, sometimes for a normal outing, and all the shades are from Maybelline New York, and I'm going to be extremely honest with whatever I say about each shade, and also I show the hand swatches as well as how it will exactly appear on a no makeup face so that you can get a better idea of the shade. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with this one. It is Superstay Ink Crayon from Maybelline New York and the shade is 25. The name of the shade is Stay Exceptional, and I believe the shade is exceptionally good. Just perfect for a college day, work from home makeup look, office makeup look, और जब भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा overdone नहीं दिखना है, neutral दिखना है. This is for, I think, this is for 599 rupees. This big of a crayon, and the Superstay Ink Crayon has this thing that it stays for around 7 to 8 hours without fading away. So one-time investment है. You can try it out, and this shade actually is a neutral and natural sort of a pink color, and this is how it exactly looks. And just Stay Exceptional आपके lips पे कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. And next up is this shade, which is again from Superstay Ink Crayon. The shade number is 05 and the name of the shade is Live On Edge, again for 599 rupees. And oh my god, I can't really tell how much I love this shade, and this is the same shade that I'm wearing right here in this picture, which I posted recently on Instagram, and सबको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. And ये lip shade इतना perfect है, go to edgy smart है that you can add a pop of it onto your basic outfit to make it a notch higher. And the shade, if you talk about the shade, it is kind of a brown color but not onto the darkest brown side, and I think this is perfect for all the skin tone. तो आप किसी को भी gift कर सकते हो without even thinking much, and सबको पसंद आएगा. I'm very sure about it. And this is how Live On Edge exactly looks like, and after its application it will look something like this. The next shade that I'm going to talk about is an absolute class, and I don't know how and I don't know why I have that amazing sense of lipstick that I can easily sense कि हाँ ये मेरे पे अच्छा लगेगा या ये नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, so the next shade that we are talking here is from Maybelline New York Creamy Matte series. The name of the shade is 691 and the name is Rich Ruby. The shade number is 691 and the name is Rich Ruby. As the name suggests, this shade is classic red lipstick, rich ruby lip color, something near to a rose petal. And if you're looking for a classic red lipstick, do give this a shot. It is for 299. And I think Creamy Matte के सारे lip shades बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, kind of, but this is just perfect, perfectly balanced. The skin tone can never be a limitation. So this is how Rich Ruby exactly looks like, and after its application ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Now let's move on to the next lip shade, which is again Superstay Ink Crayon. The shade number is 65 and the name of the shade is Settle For More. Oh my, what a name. Again for 599 rupees and stays for 7 to 8 long hours without fading away. Until and unless you're not habituated of eating a lipstick, thumbs up if you're that lipstick eater. And one more thing, you really don't need to invest in a sharpener to sharpen this ink crayon, as this Superstay Ink Crayon has this inbuilt sharpener right here. And believe me if I tell you that I got to know about this after 1 month of using it. So dumb of me. Now if we talk about the shade, it is the darkest shade of maroon, and if you are someone extremely fond of maroons as a lip shade, then this is going to be your best buy. Please give this a shot, and I think you can give this to your mom because मेरी मम्मी को ये shade बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and almost all the moms have similar taste. So this is how Settle For More exactly looks like, and lips पे कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. And the next shade that I really like and बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular shade है, again from Creamy Matte series. The shade number is 657 and the name of the shade is Nude Nuance for 299 rupees. Super affordable. What an international shade this is. If we talk about the shade and how it looks exactly, it is quite a neutral brown color with brown undertone, just perfect for a no makeup look or a neutral makeup or a nude makeup sort of. And ये मेरे पूरे makeup kit में सबसे ज़्यादा use होने वाला lipstick है. Just imagine the level of obsession. And if you are following my videos from quite a while, then you must be knowing how much I love this shade. And this is how exactly Nude Nuance looks like, and lips पे कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Next up we have is Maybelline New York Intense Rayon in the shade Intense Red, and this is for 399 rupees if I'm not wrong. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा रेड का भी जो सबसे इंटेंस रेड है ना वो होता है, वो शेड है ये. एंड ट्रूली स्पीकिंग बहुत ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक है इसमें, एंड दिस इज़ जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर कॉलेज, क्योंकि ओनली इफ़ अगर आप लाइट शेड लेते हो इसका तो, या फिर आपका कॉलेज रेड अलाउ करता है तो ये हाई कवरेज मैट फिनिश लिपस्टिक है. बट देन वन थिंग दैट आई वांट टू मेंशन हियर दैट इट फेड्स अवे. बहुत ज़्यादा स्टे नहीं करता है, ऑल्दो जितना देर स्टे करता है बहुत हाई कवरेज होता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इंटेंस रेयॉन एग्जैक्टली लुक्स, एंड लिप्स पे तो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. And the next shade that we are going to talk about is from Creamy Matte series. The shade number is 643 and the name of the shade is Cosmopolitan Red. What a lovely cherry red this is for 299 rupees, quite affordable, and it is a bit brighter than other reds, and you can definitely try this out, as I feel this is perfectly suitable for all skin tone and definitely brightens up the face and slides so well on your lips without being exfoliated. And pigmentation तो बहुत ही अच्छी है, और it completely hides the lip pigmentation, hide it to the fullest, so you can try it out. And this is how Cosmopolitan Red exactly looks, and lips पे कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. And the last shade that we are going to talk about is again from Creamy Matte, and the name of the shade is really good, Mysterious Mocha. The shade number is 631. Sounds like a mystery, and it is kind of a neutral color, and this is one of the most loved shades from Creamy Matte collection. And this is kind of a natural color, light brown color with a pink undertone, and looks absolutely formal. You can prefer this for daily use, for office, and I definitely love the pigmentation of this shade and the matte finish, and Indian skin tone पे ये बहुत perfectly जाएगा, and it looks so natural and soothing. So this is how Mysterious Mocha exactly looks, and you can see how neutral the shade is. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. And I think I've shown around 7 to 8 shades all in all, and कभी भी लिपस्टिक खरीदते वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन होती है, फिर कोई ऐसा वीडियो सामने आ जाता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होती है. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा आपके लिए. I've got some of these from Nykaa and some of them from an amazing cosmetic store around my place, and I'm going to mention all the details, all the links in the description box. You can check it out from there. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down which shade you love the most, and more video requests for future videos. And follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.